Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I have 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that all have to do with how to draw niche. Now, this is a beautiful low to medium content books that really help the customer learn how to draw. And as I explained before, there are 2 types of how to draw a book. The first type is based on a grid template where we have the ABCs on one side, we have the numbers on one side, and we have the image as a PNG placed inside that grid. And it's more like a look and see and copy and paste kind of a way to do it. And the other way is a step-by-step. So they have the first drawing, and then the second image would be step 2, the third image would be adding that step 3, the changes made. So you can do whatever format that fits you best. The grid format is the best and the most flexible and the easiest way to do how to draw. Now, just before we get started, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. And let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is a very strong one. It is how to draw human bones. How to draw human bones has a strong, solid keyword niche score on both ends, from self-publishing Titans Chrome extension to Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Let's break down the results. First of all, self-publishing Titans Chrome extension has given this a strong, solid keyword niche score of 79, which is amazing. And also, there is a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which has given this a number 9 as well, the highest on the scale. Coming to the total results, they're currently sitting at 323, which are below 1,000. We also have the average bestseller rank within that 300,000 range, and it is currently averaging 313,379. Average reviews are 708. Average price is $17.30, and this is basically a book that teaches how to draw human bones. Now, it's not clear whether you are creating that book for adults or for children, so that is a great opportunity for you to niche down or to create both types of books as well. And you need to specifically focus on human bones. So you can't have images in there drawing or teaching how to draw, the human organs such as the kidney and the heart, specifically focusing on human bones. And this is also a great opportunity to add that educational twist as well by introducing fun facts for each of the major human bones as well. Maybe also having, depending on the if you're creating it for children and depending on the age of the children as well, you might also want to have the name of the bones and also allow the child to trace the name of the bone as well, and introducing fun facts. Now, also for adults, you would also want to integrate some information in there to help them get the best for the money that they spend on this book as well. How to draw human bones, amazing keyword. Take advantage of this wonderful opportunity as well. You can find interiors available in Creative Fabrica, and at the end of the video, we're going to have a look at the interiors as well. But for now, let's have a look at the second keyword, which is how to draw faces for beginners. How to draw faces for beginners also has a really strong keyword niche score by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and they've given this a number 72, which is one of the highest that you can get. Green light right here as well. Total results are within that 2,000 range, and they're currently sitting at 2,627. Bestseller rank averages at 114,458, which is lower than 300,000. Of course, the lower the better. Average reviews are a whooping 1,227, and average price is $11.22. Then again, specialize in drawing faces. Keep in mind that you are creating for beginners, so try to make it as simplistic as possible as well. Niche down whether you want it to be for adults, for children, and also introduce fun facts. Introduce the names of the different types of parts of the face as well would be ideal, especially when you're making it for small children. That would be great to have that in there. Now, keep in mind it would be best to follow the grid method, especially if you're creating it for beginners. Also, it would be ideal whether you're creating it for children or for adults, whether it's for beginners or for experts. Always ideal to use 8.5 times 11 inch size, a large print size, and allow for a lot of room as well that way. So that was the second keyword for the day, and the third keyword is how to draw monsters for kids 8 to 12. How to draw monsters for kids 8 to 12 is a perfect long tail keyword. It has everything that we need to get started. It's the type of book that we're doing is how to draw. The theme is monsters, and who are our audience? They're kids. What are the age groups? 8 to 12. So that's it. That's all what you need to get started. I wouldn't niche down any further than that. And we have a strong keyword niche score of 59 and a total results under 1000, which is ideal. And the total results are 891. Average bestseller rank is 275,206, which is also good to see as well, because it is below than 300,000. Also, we have a whooping number for the average reviews, and they are 3,437, and the average price is sitting at $10.02. Now, that being said, let's head over to Creative Fabrica, and we're going to just quickly have a look at some of the interiors that there are available as well. So my apologies, just 1 second, bear with me. How to draw human face. We have human figure right here. We have also bones. Let's see bones. I just want to check out human bones, and if there's nothing to do with human bones, what you could do is you could be able to search that up individually, and if you still don't find anything for that, you can always use elements from Canva to represent specific types of human bones that you want. Just search it up on Canva in the search bar under the elements as well, and you could always use the spark element to create that image, to create that transparent PNG. Just give it a prompt and it'll go ahead and create it. Make sure you always disclose honestly to Amazon KDP that you did use the Spark or whatever Midjourney or whatever tool that you used, and to what extent you used it, and what was the purpose of it. You're not going to get in trouble, but you need to be honest with that. So let's go to how to draw monsters and see what our interiors are showing. So I just searched how to draw monsters and I got a whooping 107 results, and there's the step-by-step type of books that I was talking about, so you can do it that way. You can also use the grid method, which is much more easier as well, easier for the child and easier for you as the creator of the book or as the person who formats the interior as well, because you could go ahead and use whatever PNG you have and just copy and paste it that way, and then the next page would be a blank page of the exact grid, so the child would be able to duplicate it that way. So that was the step-by-step process. I personally don't like it, to be honest. And there is the grid one. It looks much more professional. It's also available for free to download, and then again there will be a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro linked in the description box below, as well as a 30-day free trial, all access to Creative Fabrica, which gives you KDP interiors as well as access to Spark and KDP graphics to use in your covers and interiors. That being said, let's end this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.